Yo, what is up, people? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to sell stocks on Robinhood. Let's get straight into it. So to sell stocks on Robinhood, all you gotta do is open the Robinhood app on your mobile device, and then you want to navigate to your portfolio by tapping on the invest tab. Now you want to select the stock that you want to sell by tapping on it, and then tap the sell button. And now you want to enter the number of shares that you want to sell. You need to review your order details, including the stock symbol, number of shares, and the market price, and then just confirm your sale by tapping confirm. Now, a couple of order types you can go with. You have a market order, where you sell your shares at the current market price. There is limit order, where you sell your shares at a specific price that you set yourself. Or you could use a stop loss order, where you sell your shares when they fall to a certain price. Now, for selling stocks on Robinhood website, what you want to do is to log into your Robinhood account on the website, and then you want to navigate to your portfolio by clicking on invest, and then select the stock that you want to sell by clicking on that, and then click the sell button, and then you got to enter the number of shares that you want to sell. And once you're done with that, review your order details, including the stock symbol, number of shares, and the market price, and just confirm your sales by clicking confirm. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to sell stocks on Robinhood. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.